Hey guys, welcome to tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Yahoo Mail account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Yahoo Mail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in yahoo.com like this and hit on enter, and of that you'll be redirected to the home page of Yahoo. And to log into your mail account of the Yahoo, you can see there is a sign in button available over here, but if you click on sign in over here, then you will be able to sign into your account, but you will have to go to your mail account separately. But will not be doing that. In order to log into your Yahoo mail account, let's simply click on mail available over here, and after that you will be required to enter your username over here, or the email address or your phone number with which you have signed up for a Yahoo account. And let's go like this, and after that click on next, and then you'll be required to verify that you're not a robot. And let's click on I'm not a robot, and after that click on continue. And over here you'll be required to enter your password like this, with which you had created an account on Yahoo. And after you have entered your password, but if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it or reset your password from the forgot password button available over here. If you click on the forgot password button, you will be able to retrieve or reset the password of your Yahoo account. With that being said, after you have entered your password, simply click on next, then you'll be able to sign into your Yahoo mail account. And then guys, this is how you log into your Yahoo mail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.